Hey, everybody, it's Dave Bondi. I want to help all of you on social media, but what you're about to hear from me might seem counterproductive. I'm about to tell you do not trust social media. Don't trust it. Why do I say that? Many of you know this, but your Facebook page, your TikTok page, your YouTube page, even could be eliminated in the blink of an eye. There are thousands of creators and business owners every day who have their content taken down. Sometimes because they're hacked or for no reason, no fault of their own. So, the number one thing you need to do is own your audience. I'm going to dig into exactly what that means. So, stay here, stay watching because I'm going to tell you what you need to do. It's worked for me. I have over 29,000 people now that I own the information, their email address. And make sure everybody to subscribe to my channel. This is a brand new channel. Help me grow. Click the subscribe button right down there. There should be a subscribe button and click that little bell notification so you can get alerted when I go live or when I make a new video. So I'm going to be quick about this. If you have social media and you're a business owner and you're a content creator, you need to own your audience. Well, what does that mean? That means you need to own the information to stay in contact with them. You need to collect email addresses, you need to collect cell phone numbers. You can get a newsletter. For example, I have 1 million followers on social media, but I know at any given time those followers could be gone. So what I have done has I've collected email addresses through my newsletter. I have almost 28,000 email addresses from people who follow me. Many of them might be you. And I do that so I can reach out directly to those people. And if something were to happen to my social media accounts, I am able to reach those people. I wake up in the morning sometimes and I look at my Facebook page to see if it's still there because I've had violations before for no reason whatsoever. And a lot of you had as you a lot of you have had that happen as well, I'm sure. So what I want you to do is to own your audience. If you're a hair salon, HVAC company, no matter what company you own, or if you're a content creator, make a newsletter. Okay, you can go to Substack. It's absolutely free. You can even do a Google to collect the email addresses. You can have a Google form. You can make a Google form and just collect email addresses. Do not buy email addresses. That does not work. People might try to sell you them. It won't work because they're not real people. 95% of the time, they're bots, they're fake, they're not real. What I want you to do is start collecting those email addresses, start a newsletter. I'm going to make a new video soon to show you how to do a Substack newsletter, but just start collecting that information. Whatever business you own, when it comes to getting your clients, if you get their phone number, get their email address. If you're a restaurant, make it part of checking out, getting an email address, getting a phone number, whatever it may be. That is valuable because you can then market to them. You can email them directly. They may delete your email eventually, but if, for example, I do social media or my wife does social media for a restaurant and they have 20,000 followers on their Facebook page. But what if their page gets hacked? What if something happens and their page gets eliminated? That's 20,000 people that they're not going to be able to talk to anymore. Well, the best thing to do, have a newsletter. And that's what they are doing. We advise them to do that. They're collecting email addresses and they're sending out emails now. And the last thing I want to talk about, why you need to do it. Okay, that restaurant has 20,000 followers on Facebook. Sometimes one post will only get 800 people seeing it or 2,000 people seeing it. It has to be a good day to have more than 2,000 people to see a Facebook post. Facebook does not show the content out to people. It just doesn't. But with a newsletter or an email or a cell phone number, you can send it right to someone. And that is really, really cool. And that's what I would suggest. That's my advice to you to own your audience get newsletter, get emails, get cell phone numbers. Once again, make sure you're subscribing. Hit the subscribe button right down there and the bell notification. It should be down there